Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reject incoming call with your AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Okay, so first of all, it works the same for the left and the right earbud. What do you have to do? Put one of them to the ear. I'm gonna use right now the right one, and I have to cover the sensor on this one because it will not work anyway. And we have to click twice on this touch control panel, quickly. 1, 2, and it will be reject. Take a look. As you can see, we easily get rid of the incoming call on our AirPods Pro 2nd generation. And on the left one, you have to do the same, so basically click right here 2 times. You have to for sure put them to the ears, because without that, you will be unable to reject the call, because they will be like inactive. So I just put one of them to the ear, and on the second one cover the sensor just to show you the presentation, the instruction, how it looks and where we have to press exactly and how fast. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.